play from like 23 to 55.
It's good bandwidth then. All right.
Design, 4th order, 1:3 ratio, 2:47, 8 Skar DDX 12 D2s, 1 Terrence ND12K at 0.5, King Lithium 45 off C-Max bang, Brand X 250 amp alternator, did a 55 seal on the kick, and that was on the 8K that I had a wired quarter on, but it's pretty nasty. It's got a really nice bandwidth.
Did you build the box?
Yeah, I built the box.
Okay.
It just had your adjust the design. Did a suicide awareness, back to blue, of course.
Sweet. So what's your ratio on this?
I played from like 23 to 55.
It's good bandwidth then. All right. Nice. Yeah, I love a demo, man. And you're wired half ohm on this. Is this a half ohm Terrence?
Half ohm Terrence, 12K.
Is it rated at half ohm?
Yeah, it's rated 12K at 12.6 volts. I'm trying
Nice.
15.3.
Okay. Sweet. All right. Dude, that opened up, yeah. You could tell a big jump, at least 2 dB. Yeah. Wow. That's a lot better. Nice work, man. That is pretty solid still. I like it.
There's no bracing behind it.
Yeah, it's just a single baffle.
No, it's like, all I did was screw into the baffle and the board itself, and then just did the little angle brake right there, and just pack the slack loose.
That works. And then it hardened overnight, yeah. All right. Nice. Thanks for the demo, man.
A lot louder.
Yeah. Can I see your alternator?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. And I'll have to see the amp in a better view. What vehicle is this?
2018 Nissan Frontier.
Nissan Frontier, all the way down there. What size alternator?
250 amp.
250. Your voltage isn't bad either. Solid. Oh, makes it sneeze.
It's a lot louder than when I first started, dude.
Oh, way louder, yeah, because you started in mid-40s.
No, lower than that.
Lower than that.
138.
Oh, that's right. 138, yeah.
Huge difference.
Yeah, because you had 212 right here. Yeah, bandwidth is way better. And it doesn't slope off like it did with that when you sealed off the wall. You notice that?
It's definitely a lot more
Yeah.
responsive, and
Nice.
it's just all around better. I'm really happy with it, but I think I'm gonna eventually upgrade Lithium bank. Because I'm running King Lithium 45 LC Max,
Yeah.
and then I'll do either a 90 LC Max bank, and then I'm gonna see what's restricting me on my alternator size, because they say you can't run anything over higher than 270 on these trucks for some reason. So I gotta figure out what's going on with that. I'm gonna jump to a 320.
Okay.
So 320 on a 90 off.
Upgrade your electrical help too, yep. All right. Nice. Thanks, Robert.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.